Hey everyone, the Kingbull Rover 2.0 has officially arrived in the US market, bringing with it a refined mix of power, durability, and versatility aimed at both off-road adventures and everyday riders. Building upon the original Rover, the second-generation model introduces upgrades in suspension, performance, and rider comfort, making it a strong contender among all-terrain e-bikes in its class. At the heart of the Rover 2.0 is a 750-watt Bafang brushless rear hub motor capable of delivering up to 80 Newton-meters of torque and pushing the bike to a top speed of 28 miles per hour in Class 3 mode. This motor provides plenty of force for tackling steep hills, rough trails, or accelerating quickly on urban streets. Riders have control over their riding pace thanks to the integrated backlit display, which allows on-the-fly speed adjustments. Complementing the motor is a 720 watt-hour Samsung battery, offering a maximum range of around 60 miles on a single charge, depending on terrain and riding style. This balance of speed and endurance makes the Rover 2.0 practical for both long commutes and extended outdoor adventures. A major highlight of this e-bike is its suspension system, which sets it apart from many fat tire competitors. Up front, it features a fork with 100 millimeters of travel, while the rear is supported by a D&M DV22AR oil spring shock offering 45 millimeters of travel. This dual suspension setup helps absorb vibrations and bumps, resulting in a smoother ride even on rocky or uneven ground. Paired with 26 by 4.0-inch CST puncture-proof fat tires, the bike is well prepared for sand, snow, or gravel, giving it real all-terrain credibility. Riders also benefit from Shimano's 7-speed gearing system, providing flexibility for different gradients and riding conditions. Stopping power is delivered by hydraulic disc brakes with 2 pistons and 180 millimeter rotors on both the front and rear wheels, ensuring consistent and reliable braking performance. A torque sensor further enhances ride quality by delivering smoother pedal assistance, making the Rover 2.0 feel more natural and responsive. Despite its robust features, the Rover 2.0 comes in at around 80 pounds, which is heavy but expected for a fat tire e-bike with dual suspension and a large battery. However, its sturdy aluminum frame supports a payload of up to 400 pounds, making it suitable not just for individual riders, but also for carrying gear, groceries, or other essentials. Practical additions include a bright 48-volt LED headlamp, a rear light for visibility, and a clear display to monitor speed, distance, and battery life. The Rover 2.0 is priced at $1,399, positioning it as a competitively priced fat tire e-bike, considering its motor, suspension, and feature set. Kingbull also offers a $200 discount for customers purchasing multiple bikes, making it an appealing choice for families or groups of riders. Buyers can choose between sand silver and black color options to match their personal style. Overall, the Kingbull Rover 2.0 stands out as a well-rounded all-terrain e-bike, blending performance with comfort and utility. Its powerful motor, solid range, and comprehensive suspension make it suitable for those who want a bike that can handle rugged outdoor trails while still being practical enough for urban commuting. At its price point, it offers strong value and positions itself as a versatile machine for riders who want both adventure and everyday usability. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Have a nice day and God bless you.